Right, just have a look at paper spaces and dimensioning tutorial. So if you, I've got the D&D template open, but if you right button on the viewport, view spaces tab bar at the bottom, you can then duplicate one. I'll just delete everything and we'll start afresh. So basically in the model space I've drawn one-to-one this crash barrier system to protect a lamppost. So basically you go up to create view and you put a elastic band rectangle around it and call it whatever you like, view 2 in this case. Click on your paper space and then you go insert viewport and view 2. Then we double click it to get to the properties of the viewport. We'll fix it at 1 to 15. I already know it'll fit on A3. No visible box, but I'm happy with that. And then we can resize that viewport. Don't have overlapping viewports, otherwise the dimensioning tool goes loopy. So then we pick up the dimensioning tools. I've got them on my toolbar at the top, orthogonal, but if I right button on it, and I can just look at the formats and set it up the way I like it. So I've got red. I like to go down to 5 point unless I'm doing titling or I need something to really stand out. I'm going to force the text inside the lines in this job. Okay. So basically you can then use your sekis intersection to put on key dimensions or all dimensions if it's for fabrication purposes. Obviously the idea is to make the drawing clear so anyone can make the product. And see the dimension from there to there. And then obviously a lot of things just need text. On this case it's diameter, picked up the text tool, 48 CHS by 4 thick I think on this job. CHS circular hollow section, and we want to powder galvanized and powder coated yellow. Galvanized powder coated yellow RAL code to be confirmed. So, and I can put cast legs cast legs 500 millimeters below ground level. If existing foundation is uncovered, consult engineer. If existing foundation is uncovered, say in the case of a lamp post, consult engineer. Then you put your titling on. It's a crash barrier, and give it a drawing number or job number, obviously the date 08/04/20, drawn by me, and the scale of 1 to 15, but only when printed out on A3. Don't recommend anyone scales off drawings, but unless they're 100% sure, they've got a safety mechanism of checking, cross-checking the dimensions. I've missed a little line off there. Let's put that on. Unfortunately, on this job, if this is going around a lamppost, there might be a foundation in there already. So we may have to cut the legs short and affix it with some kind of bolt plate. Might be safer than, certainly don't want to chop into the foundation and then let the lamppost foundation be weakened in anyway. Okay, file, save as, and call it crash CB1. Okay, and I'm just going to rationalise these numbers, to be honest. Although I've drawn it, I've gone in and overridden the dimensions. That could come back to haunt me, but I think I need to rationalise them just to make the job a little bit easier. Save. So yeah, don't always trust an electronic CAD form that's sent to you. Doesn't mean the draftsman actually was implying it really is one-to-one true.